Welcome back to my channel, everybody. It's Leah with skinBEAUTIFUL RX, and today we are back for our 5-minute review. Today's 5-minute review will be on the Is Clinical GeneXC. I get asked about this all the time because the name GeneXC really doesn't tell you anything about it, what it does, or how super special this product truly is. So let's go ahead and learn about this really special advanced anti-aging serum. If you've tried any of the Is Clinical serums, you know how lightweight they are. And the GeneXC serum is super lightweight as well. So it sinks in very rapidly in L-ascorbic acid, and the pH is 3.0. Is a little bit of criteria for me when I recommend this product. One, I really like the GeneXC for aging and mature skin. It's also amazing for over-treated skin that still wants to use a vitamin C serum. Amazing for sensitive skin types. If somebody typically says, I can't use an L-ascorbic, my skin tingles, it burns, it just doesn't like it. Typically, those skin types can use GeneXC and your skin will flourish. Because it is so much more than just a vitamin C, it is just so targeted for elasticity, for overall brightening. I actually do prefer, if you have pigmented skin, I do prefer this over Super Serum, which is their other vitamin C serum. If you've watched my Super Serum video, you know it can be a little spicy for our sensitive or dry skin types, but this serum, this vitamin C serum, is the exact one from Is Clinical that I would pick for you. GeneXC serum from Is Clinical has been formulated with their extremosome technology. This is a patented technology that works on a cellular level. Extremozymes are clinically proven to protect, revitalize, and just make your skin glow. It is a 20% L-ascorbic acid, but what makes it special is that it is a time-released L-ascorbic. The Is Clinical vitamin C's are also a mix of not only L-ascorbic acid, but also fruit acids, the extremozymes, and powerful antioxidants. So let's go over the fruit acids very quickly. So these fruit acids in this formulation help with the desquamification process that our skin naturally goes through. This will not only increase cellular turnover, which in turn will help with pigmented skin, fine lines, and wrinkles. Over time, it'll also help with the deeper penetration of these active ingredients. There are 3 different extremozymes in this formula. The first is trehalose. This is a naturally occurring disaccharide that you can find in many plants. They enable organisms to live in really harsh environments. So to put it in a much simpler way, so like for instance the desert, it will go through a drought and everything will die. And then all of a sudden you see life pop back after it rains. The plants have these very special extremosomes that allow them to come back to life in a really harsh environment. How this actually helps our skin, because we're not plants, it actually protects the cell structures in our skin. So it protects them from harsh environments, whether it be pollution, UVA, UVB damage, just overall aging. The ingredient will protect our cells from breaking down and dying off more rapidly. It also has a plankton extract, which is a synergistic extremophilic enzyme and designed to repair the cell structure that's already been damaged by UV radiation. So this I do want to point out because it's actually repairing your damaged DNA. So if you've watched any of my videos prior, another product that repairs DNA damage is the Osmosis Catalyst. So if you have been looking for a product because you for some reason can't use catalyst, you find it too tacky, too drying, the color just will not massage into the skin, this vitamin C serum would be a great alternative for you to try. While not exactly the same, they both target very similar things when it comes to repairing already damaged DNA, and there's not a lot of products that can do that. And then lastly, the last extremozyme in this is arginine ferulate. Again, it also helps deserts thrive in our skin, increases the respiration of our skin, it helps cellular detoxification, and helps to hydrate the epidermis, which is another reason why I love this serum if you have mature skin, if you have really dry, damaged skin. It's a very hydrating serum of vitamin C. And then there's just a few more really important ingredients now once we've moved past the extreme enzymes in this that help with that overall protection of our DNA. There's also Kakadu plum extract, which will really help boost your skin's luminosity as well as help to tighten the skin. For somebody like me who has, you know, just a natural redness to their skin, it also helps to calm redness and will even your skin tone. It's a really unique ingredient, and it's actually a superfruit, and it yields 100 times more vitamin C than an orange. So your skin's getting a really big dose of vitamin C, and you're going to see that in the luminosity of the skin, the overall brightness, the tone, the clarity, and of course vitamin C is so important for collagen. You're going to start to see that in the way your skin starts to show more tightness. Lastly, it has SOD, and SOD has been like all the rage in the last few months, and as we know, SOD is a natural enzyme that absorbs free radicals. It's going to protect you from current and future damage by basically, you know, when free radicals are coming at you, like a catcher's mitt, it's going to catch them, absorb them, so that it doesn't affect your skin or your cells. Vitamin C serums are so unique per person, and sometimes it can be, you know, almost aggravating trying to find one that works really well for you. But if you, again, have sensitive skin, you have dry, damaged, mature skin, any of those, and really you can have oily skin and still use this, but usually it's our oily skin types that do really, really well with vitamin C. So if you're acne prone, still a great, amazing vitamin C serum for you. You will use this serum in the morning, 3 to 4 drops pressed into the skin, and after 4 to 6 weeks of use, you're gonna see such a beautiful change in really how your skin glows, reduction of pigment, reduction of redness, and you're just gonna look younger because all of these fabulous ingredients just really help to repair and restructure your natural DNA. So it's a pretty exciting little serum that I'm excited to talk to you guys about, because again, it you know, GeneXC, you know, the genes for like genetics. So it's a really powerful, amazing anti-aging serum. This 5-minute review was very helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.